Today's video covers how to pay for flights using Avios and for the 2-for-1 voucher achieved by using the British Airways American Express credit card. Let's begin. Using an Android device and the British Airways app. Any future journeys should be the first thing you see. Click those 3 lines on the top left, and then we'll go down to Reward Flights. Start off by using the Reward Flight Finder, so press Go. And pick a from point, which is your departure city, so LHR, which is London Heathrow. You can also write this out in full. We're going to choose a destination, and as you can see, you can do it by region, or you can do it by country, or a specific city. Obviously, the next thing we're going to do is tell it the dates, so when do you want to depart, and when do you want to return. If it's just one way, you need to put one way on the return portion. You need to decide, do you want to travel in economy, premium, business, or first. If you've gone for the black premium credit card, you'll be able to use the 2-for-1 voucher on any product. If it's blue, only economy or premium economy. As we've gone for North America, you'll see that Canada and the USA are available, but we'll go for the USA. You can then pick a destination, so in this case we'll go for Washington, as there's loads of availability. After this, you now need to match up the dates. Green is what you've ticked, and blue is what is available. I'm going to pick February 16th and February 21st, and then press Continue. Enter your membership number and your password, and then press Login. You get this page where you just need to confirm what exactly you want. If you scroll down, you'll see the 16th. And if you click on the British Airways BA02 blah blah blah, this is the information for the flight. What kind of plane, details, etc. If you keep scrolling, there you go. So you've got first on the outbound, you need to keep going down until you find your inbound, which is the return journey. And do the same, picking which class. There we go. You get this page which shows the outbound and the return dates and information, as well as the Avios and the price paid. If you're happy, you press Continue. If not, you can also select Find Availability with British Airways on other dates. This brings up a really handy calendar. Just please note, if you do off-peak, you'll end up using less Avios than if you do the peak days. The fees will be the same. Sometimes the app can be a little bit glitchy, so if you get this error message, just try again. When using the 2-for-1 voucher, because I'm travelling by myself, and this is the new style, I can apply a 50% discount on the Avios. So if 2 people are travelling, you'll pay for 1 person's Avios, or if 1 person is travelling, you'll pay 50% of the Avios, plus the standard fees. So if I just use Avios, or if 2 people were travelling with the voucher, it would be 136,000 Avios. So that's a 50% saving. You'll also see there's an option to reduce the Avios and to increase the payment, although generally this is poor value. When you're happy, press I agree and then press Continue. And once you're happy with all the information on the passenger details, just click Continue. This is the payment page and the summary, and if you go down you'll see the details for the journey you're making. Once you're completely happy, you need to pick a credit card or add a new one. Obviously all the details, address, security number, and then you can press Make Booking. Congratulations. Next we'll use the standard Avios search function, and for this search we're going to go for the non-British Airways route. First you need to click on Standard Avios Search. We're not going to use the voucher because it's not applicable on non-British Airways routes. We're going to travel from Hong Kong, there we go, and the destination is going to be Singapore. Lovely. You then need to give it the dates, so obviously you can do a one-way option or depart and return. In addition, you need to say who's travelling and what class you want to travel in. Then press Get Flights. And here we go. If you click on the flight number, you get the information for the type of plane, the details, and the flight length. There we go. We've clicked on economy, so here's the Avios and the fees associated with that. If you then click on business, yes, we know. There you go. £25,057. Not bad. Again, you can adjust the ratio for the Avios and the fees, but always try and keep it as high as possible on the Avios. And then click I agree and continue. Great. Avios are extremely useful. You can cancel the booking for an admin fee up to 24 hours in advance. And if you achieve them naturally through spending, you'll gain some pretty cheap prices, particularly in business or first. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it useful. Please subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. There's also loads of great articles online. All the best.